Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Rules for Rebels, and you have tuned into the first episode of a new daily series I'm going to be doing, and this is going to be called the Weird Products of the Day series. What this is going to be is each day we're going to be highlighting a weird item. Could be kind of a gag gift novelty item, just stupid weird thing. Could be like a really cool gadget. Could be a unique gift idea. And kind of the idea behind this is kind of threefold. We're all entrepreneurs. I think kind of seeing different businesses, seeing different products, seeing different business ideas can oftentimes spur an idea and kind of get our own creativity going. I think a lot of these products that we're going to feature are going to be things that might give you an idea of your own product or your own business you can spin off of it. A lot of these products, if you wanted to private label something similar yourself, but tweak it a little bit, improve it a little bit, I think there's a lot of opportunities for that. And for any of you guys out there who are drop shippers, the items that tend to do well for drop shippers, and I know a lot of drop shippers drop ship off of Amazon, but a lot of the items that do well for drop shippers are like really unique items, one-of-a-kind items, and impulse buy items. And I would say pretty much every item we're going to be covering kind of falls into that category. So, like I said, every day we're going to be featuring a new product, an interesting product. If you have a unique or interesting product you want featured, feel free to reach out to me at RulesForRebels@gmail.com. I'm looking for new products to feature. And if I just happen to randomly feature your product and you happen to see your product on here and you want to come on the channel and do a little interview or do a little live stream with me and kind of talk about the idea, how you got the idea for the business, how you put it into practice, how you got it manufactured, anybody's welcome to come on and kind of talk about their business or talk about their products. So without further ado, this is my first fire. And as you can see here, I thought this was hilarious. My first fire, you get an 18-inch fire ring, a 12-inch poker, 4 Enduralogs, and an 8-ounce fuel can. And here we see this little toddler playing with fire. Now, this isn't a serious product. This is actually a gift. I'm sure there's probably a lot of liability with selling fire kits to kids. This is actually just a box. It's nothing more than a box. So if you have a young niece or nephew, I know my sister and a lot of my cousins a lot of times get mad at me for buying their kids kind of dangerous gifts. So if you want to kind of play a prank on your sister, brother-in-law, and kind of get, next time your niece or nephew or little cousin or whoever has an event come up, if you want to put their real gift inside of this prank box, you might get a little rise out of their parents. So as you can see here, there's a sweater in there. Back of the box shows the kid having a ball playing with fire. You put your real gift in this box. Again, they're not actually selling fire gifts. And then here you see somebody unhappy with this gift. And this company who makes these prank boxes actually has a lot of different kind of funny, like really bad gifts, different series of boxes that you can buy to put your stuff in. And I thought in terms of a business, this is a pretty good idea for a business, and maybe this will spur an idea in one of you guys. These boxes sell for $24.95. There's only one available on Amazon right now. And I'm sure to get these boxes printed didn't cost them more than, maybe what, 57 cents a box or something like that, if that. If you're getting them out of China, possibly even cheaper. It's not something that can break. It's not something, it would be a very, very easy first product to private label for somebody looking to get into private labeling. And the profit margins on this have to be insane. So, if you got a young niece or nephew and you want to prank their parents, this could be a fun item for that. Or if any of you guys kind of want to spin off and maybe start a business, start an Amazon business, a private label business, doing your own funny prank boxes, all you really need is some graphic design skills or to hire a seller off Fiverr to come up with something like this for you. I thought this was kind of a really clever and kind of fun idea. So I'll drop a link to this down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out in more detail. And let me know what you guys think. You think this would be a good business idea, making fake boxes for fake prank gifts? I don't know how many you would sell. I don't think you're going to sell a huge volume of them, but assuming that it's probably like a 95% profit margin business, could be pretty lucrative. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button for more daily weird product of the day videos. I'm still going to keep doing my other content, but I just wanted to be able to kind of get more content out, and I've kind of fallen off on kind of putting out videos. So wanted to get myself kind of back in the routine of creating good content daily. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we will catch you on the next one.